Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi A1 Black Edition Sportback S Tronic. It comes dressed in the stylish arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of sophistication to the car's profile. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 7-spoke rotor design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as we take a look around, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic, for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.